Do you keep seeing repeating numbers such as 111, 222, 444 everywhere? While many call them angel numbers, and they are right, it is actually the universe communicating with us. Most people use positivity to interpret this number, such as 333 means to expect growth in our lives, or 444 means you are safe and supported. But since this channel is about shadow work, let me show you the shadow side of these numbers and how you can use them to heal yourself. For those who do not see repeating numbers, stay to the end where I'll show you how you can use these master numbers in your life. Namaste, Sacred Masters. I'm Dr. Awaz Ikehi, Shadow Work NLP Manifestation Coach, and I'm here to help you with your shadow work and manifesting questions, as well as give you tips on new ways you can practice your self-growth. So don't forget to subscribe for Global Numbers on Tuesdays, Pick a Card Shadow Work on Thursdays, and Shadow Work Manifesting Tips on Sunday. Now, let's get into these repeating numbers, which are actually known as master numbers. While a lot of you may see this as a sign from the universe, which I do as well, I want to remind you that there is some reality-based fact on this phenomenon, and it's not some spiritual hogwash that the universe conjured these numbers up for you, but rather through a combination of confirmation bias, availability heuristic, and your RAS, reticular activating system. Your subconscious receives messages from your superconscious to trigger you to pay attention to these numbers when they are available. If you want to know what the superconscious is, check out my video on the link above and the description box below for more information. But I decided to make a special video on this because I believe a lot of people have overlooked the real meaning and use of these numbers. Most of the times, my clients may see these numbers but wonder why nothing has changed in their routine activities or results. This is because they are not using these numbers correctly. See, these numbers are not meant to trigger you into believing something great is about to happen, but rather get you prepared for that great thing happening. What do I mean by that? For example, if you keep seeing 111, many will tell you that it is the marking of a new beginning and that the universe is giving you a new beginning. The problem is that most people will sit down and wait for this new beginning to come, but it won't. Some will be lucky and see it, but most won't. Why? Because within all of us, there are plenty of blockages. So when the universe is ready to give you new beginnings, what you must immediately do is calibrate your vibrations for these new beginnings. Otherwise, your blockages will push away these opportunities. That's why the universe is signaling you. It's trying to tell you, hey, tidal wave of blessings on the way. Clear your energies now. When you sit there and do nothing, your unhealed wounds, your blockages actually repel these manifestations. So that's why I'm making this video. I'm going to decode the numbers and then give you some tips on what you must do immediately when you see these numbers. So, save this video in case you need to come back to it, or you can find this video on my playlist, Shadow Work Tips and Techniques. Let's start with 111. This is the most common number that many see, especially on the time of the clock. In many forums, I see people not only posting about this, but interpreting it as blessings coming their way. Halt! The numbers 111 means you have to look at yourself. While they do mean you are on the right path, the number signifies that there is something you need to also work on. Because while the numbers mean you are on the right path, it does not mean you are at your destination yet. The number 111 is actually a number that makes you pay attention, almost like a rest stop in your journey to take some time to see where you are, what you're doing, and who you're with. What are things you can eliminate? Like debts, toxic people? Really begin to take an accounting of everything that is happening with you right now. 222. The number 2 has to do with relationships, whether friends or family. This number means that someone who will play a major role in your life is nearby. It could be a soulmate, twin flame, or karmic relationship. but there is somebody important. Are you trying to manifest someone? Start to really look around your life. Is your life ready to receive this person? If you're trying to manifest a partner, is your home a mess? Is your bed too small for someone else? Is your job schedule too hectic? Start to look on energies around you. Create an inviting vibration and energy all around you so that you can receive this person. When the universe shows you this number, pay attention to it and begin to make changes. 333. The number 3 represents the Trinity being mind, body, and spirit. This is an omen of divine healing. When the universe shows you this number, is something out of balance? What are ways you can heal your mind, like through meditation, or your body like exercising, or your spirit? This number means something could be out of balance, and you must really take stock and look at the Trinity of your life to balance it out. Are you working too hard? Not spending enough time for yourself or loved ones? Maybe you've forgotten about exercising since you've been binge watching TV with your new relationship. Are you getting enough sleep? Find that balance when you see these numbers. 444. 4 is very similar to 2 in that it deals with relationships, but specifically home and family. This is your inner circle, the ones whom you trust and love with all your heart. When was the last time you did something nice for them? Have you been checking in on them? Is your home cluttered and dirty? When you think about home, also think about your roots and your core values. Is there something you've forgotten that you could really use now? The number 4 comes out when you need to make changes from your home and family in order to clear out energies that might be leaving you stuck. 555. The number 5 means momentum. It means that you're moving in the right direction, and new opportunities will present itself to you, so get ready to seize them. But the number 5 warns about your blockages too. Are you afraid of change? Remember, change can be intimidating. When the universe wants to give you what you manifested but knows there is blockages, they will show you this number. It usually pinpoints to the fact you don't like changes. But the universe knows in order to give you what you want, you have to clear this blockage. One way to clear this blockage is by changing small things such as changing up your routine a little or taking a new hobby. Soon, your energies and vibrations will open you up, and then your real manifestations can come. 666. The number 6 has always been associated with the devil. If you're into traditional mainstream religion, you will also know that the devil is linked with superficial thoughts and desires. This number appears when you've become out of balance and you need to find equilibrium again with your spiritual self, your purpose. What superficial urges are keeping you from hearing your true voice and calling? What can you do to reduce these urges? When you see this number, begin to work on that. Are you too obsessed with money, beauty, even video games? Take stock of everything around you. 777. This number is another one signaling that you are doing a great job and that you are on the right track of life. 7 has been known to be a spiritual number and is associated with approval and bliss from your guides. But it also means to not just move into life in autopilot, but rather to look into your life and see in what areas can you grow from it. The universe, our spirit guides, our angels, however you want to refer to them, are there to help you grow, not stagnate in one thing. So whatever path in life you are at now, ask yourself this: how can I grow even more? 888. The number 8, like the way it is written, means the closing of one phase of your life and the opening of another. It is telling you that while you are ready for change, there's also a part of you that's not. This is a good time to do some shadow work on it. It could be in your professional life, romantic life, and even spiritual life. You should look deep within to find out things in your life you have trouble letting go and begin work on healing it. There's a blessing right around the corner waiting for you. Clear out the last blockages. 999. While this number means your manifestations have been achieved, it is also telling you that you have to share it. Whether you have to be more giving for your wealth or sharing knowledge around, this number indicates that whatever has been blessed to you should now be shared so more blessings can come. Ask yourself, is there anything in your life, both physical and spiritual, that you are hoarding? Is there something, a gift you've been blessed with that you can share with others? Keep the cycle going of giving and receiving, and the universe will continue to bless you. 000. When you see this number, it is a reminder that the universe, the creator, the great I am, is within you. The circle is a perfect form that reminds us we are all one with everything around us. This reminder indicates to us whether there is something in life that we are disconnected from. Is there something in your life you can practice on to remind yourself that you are one? Perhaps lately you feel that you are by yourself or alone. When this sign comes up, find ways you can remind yourself that you are not, that you are indeed one with everyone and everything around you. So, now that you know what these numbers means, you could see it as having spiritual origin or having an intuition awakening. Whatever the case is, like everything in the universe, we are all numbers. From sacred geometries to radionic signatures, numbers are important to our lives because they not only have symbolic meaning, but vibrational essence as well. This is why you're watching this video, because when you see this number, something inside you is triggered through its synchronicities. Our universe is made of a cosmic dance, formulating mathematical equations that brings into manifestations the energy of our visions. From music holding a mathematical signature of melodies and tones, it is all around us. For those who do not see repeating numbers every day, there are other ways to harness the powers of these numbers. Using radionic signatures, a mathematician named Grigori Grabovio came up with Grabovio numbers where you can actually activate these sacred numbers. If numbers by themselves are powerful already, wait till you see them in different combinations. I have a video about how to use these sacred numbers, and I've even got sleep meditation videos of these numbers that you can use as well. To find out what these Grabovio numbers are and how to activate them, click on this link to watch the video. Then go to my playlist, where you can choose a Grabovio number for your sleep tonight. I'll see you in that video. Namaste.